is right. So and link to, and then /account /places, and then /id of this place. So let's do plus place and that_id. So if I click on this, it goes to /account /places and this ID. But we don't have any route for this, so we need to add it. So let's go to app.jsx and let's see. We have the places new and places, but we don't have the places and then the ID. So let's add it. I will copy paste this part, and now let's see. Let's add ID as a param, and let's use the same component, places form page. And let's open this component. And as you can see now, this works, /places then ID. But now we need to grab the ID. So let's do const ID from use params, and let's do console log the ID to see how it looks like. If we have the ID, yes, we do. Let's see if we go to add new place. Do we have an ID? No, ID is undefined. So let's now see. Let's use effect. Here we will have an arrow function, but the second param, dependencies list, will be an array, and the only dependency will be ID. And the ID is actually the ID of our post from the param. And here we check if ID is undefined, so no ID, then we'll just return nothing and it will stop there. But if we have ID, then let's say we want to fetch with Axios, so Axios get to /places/ and then ID of it, of this place. So now if I save, I go to my accommodations and I click this one, we have this ID. And as you can see, it tries to get this API endpoint that we don't have yet. So let's open places and let's see. Let's add app_get /places/ then ID here. And then we need to add request response. And then we need to do first grab the ID param here. So let's maybe do response JSON, and let's see if we can grab the ID. Let's do request params. Request param. Is it? I think it's params. So if I refresh it, we should have yes, it returns in response ID to be this. All right, so we can grab const ID from request params. All right, when we have the ID, let's just respond with JSON about this place. So here we just do await, place, find by ID, and then just ID. Because this is, we have await, we need to add async. And I guess here we don't need to check if we have any, we don't need to check what kind of owner is it, because all places or all information about all places should be publicly available, so it doesn't really matter. It shouldn't be that only the owner should see all the information. So places form page, let's go back. And now after we grabbed the place information, let's run then, and let's grab the response here. Let's do arrow function. Maybe we can put it back here so it'll be easier to follow. And from the response, we want to grab data from response. And let's see, let's refresh and let's see how it looks like. So we get all this info. We need to now pack it into our state. So we will do like this, set title, and here data title. Then we need to do set address and data address. Then we will do set added photos, and here we'll just do data photos. Then we'll do set the description, and here data description. What's next? Set perks, and here data perks. Set extra info, data extra info, and set check-in, data check-in. Set checkout, data checkout, and set max guests, and data max guests. And I think that's it. Now if I save, as you can see, everything has been fixed. So we have text area with the description and other stuff, and everything has been loaded except the perks. Let's see if we have perks inside our database. So if we have perks, yes, we have array of perks, but looks like it doesn't work. So we have perks here. Let's see if we have them inside our components here. Places form page. Yeah, we have our perks here, but they haven't been selected. So let's fix it. Let's scroll to perks. As you can see, we have selected, but we are not making them selected here on the inputs. Sorry, not selected, checked. Let's make them checked. I will select every input like this, near to the name. And now let's add checked. And checked should be true only if this name, so maybe I can select the name, copy, only if this name is inside the selected. So I can do actually selected that includes like this, and now this, and let's close parentheses. Now if I save, everything is selected. Is it true? Yes, it is, because we have 6 elements inside perks. So I can unselect one, but if I reload the page, it should be back to selected.